From the smoky skies of wildfire season to the sweltering days of extreme heat, air quality has become a crucial concern for all of us. Today, we are exploring the impacts of air pollution and learn practical ways to protect our health. Joining us now is Dr. Nikki Vars McCullough, a respiratory health specialist and vice president in 3M's Personal Safety Division. So wildfires and extreme weather conditions have highlighted air pollution events all across the country. What else contributes to poor air quality?
Thank you. Poor air quality can be created by vehicle exhaust, trucks and cars exhaust, by factory emissions, but also by really hot, dry conditions that create drought. During drought, particles can get kicked up into the air, dust and dirt. And as you mentioned, wildfires, even when they're hundreds of miles away, can send smoke into our local communities.
What is the air quality index and how do you track it, and why is it important to even understand this?
The air quality index is a number that's going to help you understand if the air in your community is good or bad that day. And it indicates how many particles are in the air, how much ozone, and a few other gases. It's developed by the Environmental Protection Agency, and you can find the number for your community on a website called airnow.gov, or many weather apps will track it for you. When that number is low, if it's less than 50, that means the air is good for all of us to breathe. When it starts to get above 50, people who are very sensitive to air pollution, maybe have lung disease or asthma, need to start paying attention. If you see that air quality index, or AQI, get up into the hundreds, that's where we all need to take precautions.
What are some ways to help maintain good indoor air quality?
If the air outside is bad, you want to get yourself inside, and you want to make sure you close your doors and windows and maintain good air quality in your home. So first, you don't want to make any new particles, so avoid burning candles or cooking really smoky, oily foods. But then you can use high efficiency air filters in your home. If you have an HVAC system, you want to get a high efficiency air filter with a MERV 13 or higher rating, such as Filtrete, and put that in your system and run it continuously. If you don't have an HVAC system, if you have radiators, for example, you can use portable room air purifiers and get a high efficiency filter for that. Or you can make a version of your own using a box fan and a high efficiency furnace filter like Filtrete.
What else is the best way to help protect you and your family if you can't avoid going outside on a day with poor air quality?
So many of us have to go outside. We need to get to school, to work. We might even work outside doing construction, landscaping, delivery. In that case, you can consider using an N95 respirator mask. These are the type of respirator masks we got used to wearing during COVID, but they also filter out the very small particles that are in pollution. Make sure that you're looking for ones that have the word NIOSH on them, NIOSH, and N95. This means that they're tested by the US government to filter out those very small particles.
And what should you do if you're exposed to wildfire smoke or other extreme weather conditions?
If you hear or see that there's smoke or haze in your area, check that AQI. And if it's high, again, consider going indoors, using high efficiency air filters. And if you have to go outside, use an N95 respirator.
Where can we go to learn more?
You can learn more on the Centers for Disease Control website, cdc.gov. Or we have lots of helpful tips at 3m.com/wildfire safety.
Well, this is great information. We appreciate you joining us today. Thanks so much.
Thank you.